Pull. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh.
You guys have played this before. You have. You played this game before? Okay. All right. Tighten up down there a little bit. I need to get somebody in here.
We're tight.
Okay, 2 hickeys, you're out. Keep track of your own hickeys, all right? All right, let's have at it.
Yeah, I noticed it.
Pull.
Can't see it.
There's a piece there.
There was.
4 to be exact.
Yeah. A big one. Is up. Pull. Free ride.
Up. Pull.
Pull.
Oh.
Carry?
Yep.
Carrie gave us both a tip.
Yeah, both 2 hickeys
Way
down
to go,
there.
Dick.
Pull. Wow, that third shot was close.
Yeah, it was.
I could see that one. Pull. Pull.
I was looking between them, couldn't decide which one. Up. Pull. Ooh, I'm safe.
And I can't hit my ass with my hat. 2 on the end. Oh. Ooh, there's 1 on Billy.
Pull.
Oh.
Pull. Now I'm out.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Pull.
Ready?
Yep.
Pull. Pull. Oh, wow. So does that mean, is that a tick on me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Good job. But that's a tip.
Yeah.
Pull. Pull.
I just want to make it go boom.
Pull.
Oh, that was yours. I can't. I'm kind of forgetting that I can do that. That's ready? Yep. Pull. Oh, I gave that to you, man.
Rotate.
Pull. Oh.
Nice
Wow.
shot.
Nice.
Good job, young man.
Damn.
Pull.
I can't believe I hit that.
Oh.
Oh.
But that's a shot out of turn.
Yeah, you shot after the
1
break.
after the break.
Oh, even if the other guy doesn't break the break?
Yeah.
He broke it.
I missed it.
He missed.
So I can't shoot if he misses?
Can't shoot. 1 shot
Oh,
after the break.
okay.
But that was a nice shot. Yeah. Everybody bound to him.
Yeah.
Pull.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then go to do that. Yeah.
Pull. Ah. That'll do me.
He didn't break it.
He didn't break it, so he's good. 1 shot past the break.